welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna have
divisibility rules.
division rules. Mental
Math.
Okay, so here is the problem. Number 98762A is divisible by 3 and 4. So value of A is what? So that's the question. That's the problem. How we can find that letter A. So what are the process, Lina?
What is the process? Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
The problem is to find the value of
A.
It's actually A.
Yeah. So such that number
98762A, which is any number. A is any number from 0 to 9.
0 to 9. It could be 0 to 9, not more than 9, right?
Yeah.
Divisible, and it's supposed to be divisible by both 3 and 4. Okay? So next.
Okay.
So recall
divisibility
rules. Yeah. So what is it? So do you remember the number 3? Division rules for number 3?
Yes, I do.
What was that?
So the other divisible, so you have to add all the numbers. And if it's divisible by 3, then that means
it's supposed
divisible
to be
by 3.
Wow. Yeah, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So what will be the sum of those all numbers? And then let's pretend A is something. 0.
Yeah. Let's go with
let's go to the
mine.
next one.
Divisibility by 4 is when you add the two last numbers.
Last 2 digits.
Yeah, the two last digits. Sorry.
Yeah. So for division rule for number 4 is if your 2 digit has to be divided by 4.
Yeah. Step by step solution.
More. So check the divisible by 3. Okay. So if you add those all numbers, will be 32 plus A. A could be what? 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 is 32. Now plus A, we have to find that one.
Wait. So this is all 20.
32, yes.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, and not including the A.
Yeah. Okay, next. So what is the number to be divisible by 3? The sum 32 plus 1 must be divisible by 3. Next. So 2. Keep going, Lina. Keep going, please.
Okay. Step by step solution. Check divisibility by 3. Okay.
So if let's pretend A has 0. So if you add 32 plus 0 is 32. Is it division by 3 in a 32?
Nope, it's not.
No. So if A is 1, 32 plus 1 will be 33. Is it divided by 3?
Yes.
So can you check?
Actually, it's multiplied or whatever. Oh. Check. Okay. So
33 will be divided by 3. So check it, please.
Check it. Yeah.
32 plus 2 will 34 divided by 3.
34 divided by 3?
Is that number divided by 3?
Which one?
This one.
Nope.
Okay then, no. Lina, can you please 32 plus 3 is 35. It cannot be divided by 3. So 32 plus 4
is divisible.
Yeah. 32 plus
whatever.
Yeah, 32 plus 5 is 37. It can't be. 32 plus 6?
Nope.
32 plus 7?
Yep.
Yeah. 32 plus 8
No.
and 32 plus 9.
Nope.
So number can be either 1, 4 or 7. Right? Okay, can you move to next one, please?
Okay.
So now
step
check
by step
the
solution. Check divisible by 4.
So for last two digits are 20. So if A is 1, will be 21. Right?
Yep.
So 21 divided by 4 is possible?
Nope.
No.
Only 20 is.
Because last what we found 147 could be the answer, right?
Yeah, I can.
So we are checking with the number 4. So if A is 4, A equal to 4 will be what? 24? So
Which
24
is
is divided
divisible.
by... Yes, okay. So check mark.
Check. It's checked.
And
Guys,
then
it's
A
checked.
equal to 7 will be divided by 4, 27?
No.
Yeah, so
No.
the A equal to 4 satisfy the answers for both conditions, right? So the answer will be 4 there, right? So 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 4.
Well, let me just do some. This is supposed to be A.
Yeah.
There you
So
go.
since we have found out it could be divided by 3 and 4 if you put A equal to 4. Right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Can you please write the A there? A equal to 4?
4.
4 is the right answer. And then if you add this all, it will be divided by 3. And if you see 24 divided by 4 is possible, right? Yeah.
Yep.
So it's matching the answer. So that's all. Can you move to please? Next. Okay.
That's it.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.